Namaskar to everyone. Today, in our next part, we will learn about adverbs. It is a very small concept of English grammar, but though it is very important. Earlier section we had learned about adjectives, means which describe the quality of a noun. Like that, a adverb is also a word that describes the quality of a verb. For example, if someone is playing very smoothly, means he is playing in a smooth way. Smooth is a verb here, and we are simply adding ly to the verb and make it an adverb. How? Let's see. The baby is sleeping soundly, means the baby is sleeping in a sound manner. They laughed loudly. They laughed loud. Loud is a verb, and in case someone is laughing loudly, we will say they laughed loudly, means after verb plus ly. Simply, in maximum cases, what we do, we add ly. You can see few examples here. The dog is barking fiercely. Alice scattered beautifully. The prince and the princess lived happily. The birds are singing sweetly. It is raining heavily. The dog and the cat live together peacefully. So these are few examples, and even you can say the soldiers fought bravely, the sun is shining brightly, the old man walked slowly. Different words are there, means all the verbs which can be made adverb by adding ly. Few different rules are also there, so you can even add some new words. How? Let me check it. Adjectives and adverb. You can see the difference between the adjective and adverb. How? Let's see. Here you can see many lists are there of adjective. Beautiful is adjective, and the adverb, if we will write the adverb of beautiful, we will add simply ly, beautifully. Brave, bravely. Bright, brightly. Fierce, fiercely. Happy, happily. Heavy, heavily. Loud, loudly. Peaceful, peacefully. Slow, slowly. Sound, soundly. Sweet, sweetly. So adverb is nothing but the quality of the verbs. So it is having different type of adverbs. Generally adverbs are of three types. So the first type is adverb of manner, and adverb of manners means you can see the way someone is reacting. The driver braked suddenly. You can see a cat is coming in front of a car, so the driver braked suddenly. The parcel arrived safely. The parcel arrived safely, it indicating the manner how the parcel arrived safely. How the driver braked suddenly. The dog jumped playfully. How the dog jumped? The dog jumped playfully. So here you can see many different examples of adverb of manners. Please write legibly. Please speak clearly. Look closely at the footprints. You have all answers correctly. You can shop cheaply. Jamal dressed smartly, Maria behaving selfishly, the man drove carelessly. So all these are adverb of manners. You can see different examples here also: careless, carelessly; cheap, cheaply; clear, clearly; close, closely; correct, correctly; different, differently, playful, playfully, shape, shapely, selfish, selfishly, skillful, skillfully, smart, smartly. So this is all about the adverb of manners. In the next part, the different type of adverb, it is adverb of time. Means the adverb which indicates the times. Can I do my work later? Means after some times. Later is a word indicating times. Now do it no, do it now. Now is a word which indicating time, means at present. Paul has just arrived. Just Paul has arrived means just is a adverb here. And few more words you can see here. He often swims in the evening. Often. Lisa is always cheerful. Sometimes I ride my bicycle. Sometimes is adverb here. Everyone arrived early. Early is a adverb here. David arrived late. It's showing again. The mother bird started to build her nest yesterday, today, tomorrow, last year, this year, next year, last night, this morning. You can see all these words are indicating times. So all these are called adverb of times. Hope it is clear to you. So now we will move to the last type of adverb, means the third type of adverb. It is adverbs of place. Earlier it was manner, then it was of time, now it is of adverbs of place, means the adverbs which indicates different places, different locations. You can see here, mom and dad are watching television upstairs. You can see here the parents, your parents are watching televisions upstairs. The children are playing downstairs. The children are playing down the stairs. You can see here the stair is there. So this is indicating the place. It is raining. Let's go inside. It's raining. That's why the children are getting inside. So inside is indicating some place. Rex, you can stay outside. The dog name is Rex here, and the children are saying dog. You can say stay outside also. So few more adverb of place you can see here. Come here. Here is a adverb of place. Please put the books there. There also is indicating some place. The workers are moving the rubbish away somewhere other. The miners are working underground, under the ground. They are going abroad, foreign. They are there are trees everywhere, means all places. Alice lived next door, next to this house. Where is Samikas means the place indicating here is where. So all these words they are away, underground, abroad, everywhere, next door, where all are indicating the adverb of places. So now it is very much clear that there are three type of adverbs: adverb of manners, adverb of times, and adverb of place. So now come to the exercise to make it more clear. Rewrite the following adjectives as adverbs. So whenever we make any verb into adverb, generally we add ly. So you can also add here ly to make it adverbs. So I am doing a few works for you. Slow, obviously it will we will add plus ly. Slowly. Beautiful, same plus ly, beautifully. Strong, strongly plus ly. Like that you can continue all this exercise in by adding ly. Tidily, brave, tid. So you have to, in this case tid, we have to write tid, not y, ily. We have to replace the y with I, then we can write tidily. So like that, bravely, softly you can continue this exercise. Now I am coming to the next exercise. It is very much important to find out the adverbs in the following sentence. It is a little bit difficult, but still you can do it. You have to understand the types of adverbs here before going for this, and the types of adverbs are already known to you. Underline the adverbs. So the man shouted loudly. First thing you have to understand, if a word ends with ly, definitely it is an adverb. So here it is loudly. He arrived early. Early ends with ly. The train has already left. Already it's indicating time. This is adverb of times. He drove carelessly. It is adverb of manners. The students talked noisily. It is adverb of manners. So now we'll come to the next questions. These are you can see here. We have to underline the questions. The children are playing outside. Outside it is adverb of place. Let's go now. Now is the adverb of time. Tom spoke politely. Politely, the adverb of manners. Have you seen Anne's cat anywhere? Anywhere here indicating time, not place. Sorry, place. Have you seen Anne's cat anywhere means anywhere is indicating the adverb of place. Come here. Here also indicating the adverb of place. So in this way you can continue learning adverbs, though it is not used more in the English grammar, still it plays a very important role. So for that time, goodbye and see you next with the next concept of English grammar. For that time, stay safe and stay home. If you have any queries regarding this content, you can put your questions or queries in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.